Let me show you all the ingredients. 1 cup of raw almonds, 10 to 12 raw cashews, a handful of roasted pistachios, 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 10 strands of saffron, 5 to 6 cardamom pods, and 1.5 cups of unbleached organic cane sugar. Dry roast all the nuts along with cardamom pods on medium heat for about 6 to 10 minutes until you get a nice aroma from the almonds. Let it cool down. Powder the sugar, cardamom pods, saffron along with turmeric powder. Transfer into a bowl and set it aside. Grind the nuts coarsely so it will be nice and crunchy when you drink the milk. Blend both sugar and nuts and store it in an airtight container. Leave it in the refrigerator. Whenever you need, mix it with a cup of hot or cold milk and enjoy this healthy drink.